Have you ever wondered how the largest land mammal on Earth communicates with its herd? The elephant, a behemoth of the animal kingdom, reigns supreme as the largest land mammal. Its sheer size is awe-inspiring, but what's even more fascinating is how these colossal creatures communicate. Elephants have developed a complex system of communication that's as intriguing as it is sophisticated. Consider for a moment the elephant's trunk. It's a multi-purpose tool, used for feeding, drinking, and even greeting. But did you know that it also plays a crucial role in communication? The elephant's trunk is essentially a sophisticated amplifier, capable of producing a wide range of sounds, from trumpeting calls to gentle rumbles. But the communication doesn't stop at sounds we humans can hear. Elephants also converse in a language that's beyond our auditory capabilities. They use infrasound, a type of sound wave that's far too low for human ears to detect. These low-frequency sounds can travel over vast distances, allowing members of the herd to communicate even when they're miles apart. And the sophistication doesn't end there. Elephants also communicate through seismic vibrations. By sending powerful rumbles through the ground, they can relay messages to one another. These seismic signals are picked up by specialized receptors in the elephant's feet, allowing them to hear messages from miles away. The complexity of elephant communication is so profound that we humans are still trying to decipher it. There's an entire field of study dedicated to understanding these methods, to decode the intricate language of these mysterious giants. So the next time you see an elephant, whether in a zoo, a documentary, or in the wild, take a moment to appreciate the complexity of these creatures. They're not just the largest land mammals on Earth, they're also some of the most sophisticated communicators. So next time you think about an elephant, remember they might be chatting about you without you even knowing it. Would you believe that an elephant spends 16 hours a day eating? That's right, the gentle giants of the animal kingdom spend most of their waking hours munching away. As we delve into the diet of these enormous creatures, you'll find it's a fascinating blend of necessity and nature's perfect design. Elephants are strict vegetarians, a dietary choice not by preference but by design. Their massive bodies require a constant supply of energy, and they get this from an array of plants, grasses, and fruits. From tender bamboo shoots to bark and roots, nothing in the plant world is off the menu for these giants. Now, you might be wondering, how much can an elephant eat in a day? Well, hold on to your hats because it's a staggering 600 pounds of food. That's equivalent to about 600 loaves of bread or over 2,000 apples. And let's not forget about water. An adult elephant can drink up to 50 gallons of water in a single day. That's more than a bathtub full of water. But here's where it gets amusing. You see, with such a massive intake of food, it's no surprise that what goes in must come out. Elephants are prolific producers of dung, and while it might sound a bit icky, it's actually a good thing. This elephantine output plays a crucial role in the environment. The dung helps fertilize the soil, spreading seeds far and wide, promoting plant growth and maintaining healthy ecosystems. In fact, elephant dung has become so valuable that it's being used to make paper in some parts of the world. Imagine that your next notebook could be made from recycled elephant dung. So the next time you see an elephant, remember it's not just a gentle giant. It's a creature with an enormous appetite, a walking ecosystem, and a significant contributor to our environment. So, an elephant's day is essentially an all-you-can-eat buffet with some serious environmental benefits. Did you know that elephants are capable of expressing complex emotions much like humans? Yes, that's right. These gentle giants are not just physically massive, but they also have an emotional range that is truly elephantine. Elephants are known for their emotional intelligence, which is often compared to that of humans. They have the ability to feel and express a wide range of emotions, including empathy, mourning, joy, and even humor. What's more, they also display remarkable sensitivity towards their fellow beings, both within their species and outside. Let's delve a bit deeper into their emotional world. Elephants exhibit empathy, which is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. This is evident in the way they comfort each other in times of distress. They touch and caress each other, offering a trunk to hold, much like a comforting hand among humans. Elephants also mourn their dead. They have been observed lingering around the bodies of their deceased, touching the bones gently, almost in a state of contemplation. This profound sense of loss and mourning is a testament to their emotional depth. But it's not all gloom and sorrow in the world of elephants. They experience joy, and their playfulness is a sight to behold. They engage in games, chase each other, and even slide down slopes for fun. And yes, believe it or not, elephants are known to laugh. They emit a sound that is akin to human laughter when they are in a playful mood or when something tickles their funny bone. Interestingly, elephants have been observed displaying a sense of humor. They engage in playful antics that seem designed purely for amusement. This sense of fun and humor adds a delightful dimension to their personalities, making them even more endearing. So the next time you see an elephant, remember, they are not just magnificent creatures, but also emotional beings who feel joy, sorrow, empathy, and yes, even a sense of humor. It's not just us humans who have a sense of humor. Elephants too enjoy a good laugh. Ever heard the saying, elephants never forget? Well, there's some truth to that. To begin with, elephants possess a keen sense of memory that is truly remarkable. This cognitive prowess is not just a figment of folklore or a testament of anecdotal evidence. It is a scientifically proven fact. Their memory helps them in numerous ways, whether it's finding food, navigating their complex social structures, or even, remarkably, in their emotional lives. One of the most striking demonstrations of their memory is their uncanny ability to remember routes to water sources over vast distances and years. In the harsh, arid landscapes they often inhabit, water is a lifeline. Elephants can recall intricate paths leading to water sources they haven't visited in years, navigating through hundreds of miles of terrain with pinpoint accuracy. This memory is what often stands between life and death for these majestic creatures. But it's not just about survival. Elephants' memory also plays an integral role in their social bonds. They remember family members and friends, even after being separated for decades. This is where their memory transcends the practical and enters the realm of the emotional. Let's consider a heartwarming story that beautifully encapsulates this aspect. Two elephants, Jenny and Shirley, were reunited at a sanctuary after a separation of over 20 years. The moment they saw each other, they became incredibly excited, touching each other with their trunks and making loud trumpeting noises. It was clear they remembered and recognized each other, even after all those years apart. They remained inseparable until the end of their days, a testament to the deep bonds they had formed and never forgotten. This blend of practical and emotional memory is what makes elephants truly extraordinary. They not only remember their environment and how to survive within it, but they also remember their loved ones, their friendships, and their past experiences. They cherish and hold on to these memories, much like we humans do. So when they say an elephant never forgets, they really mean it. So, what are some of the most amazing and funny things about elephants we learned today? Well, first and foremost, we delved into the world of these mysterious giants, exploring the unique ways they communicate. With their low-frequency rumbles, we discovered that elephants have a secret language all their own. These rumbling sounds, barely audible to the human ear, allow them to chat with each other across vast distances. Isn't it fascinating to think of these enormous creatures whispering secrets across the savannah? Next up, we took a look at their massive diet. These gentle giants munch through an astounding 400 to 700 pounds of food every day. That's about the weight of a small car, to put it in perspective. From grasses and fruits to bark and roots, elephants are not picky eaters. They are the real foodies of the animal kingdom, spending nearly 3/4 of their day eating. Imagine having a 16-hour-long dinner. We then moved on to their emotional intelligence. Elephants are capable of a wide range of emotions, from joy and love to grief and anger. They form deep familial bonds and mourn their dead, displaying a sense of empathy that is rare among animals. Their emotional depth is truly a testament to their sophistication and complexity as a species. And who could forget about their phenomenal memory? Elephants have an extraordinary ability to remember, from recognizing old friends after years of separation to holding grudges against those who've wronged them. They even remember the location of distant water sources during times of drought. It's no wonder the phrase "an elephant never forgets" has become so popular. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the incredible and amusing aspects of elephants we've covered today. From their secret chats to their unforgettable memories, elephants truly are one of nature's most incredible and amusing creatures.